to dig into our takeout kit this week. So this week we are making a tornado in a jar. So in your bag, you will have a jar with a lid and some glitter. The things that are not in your bag that you will need are dish soap and white vinegar. And if you want to use food coloring, you can put food coloring in it too, but it's not required. It's just if that's something that you might like to do. Okay, so I've already put the water in my jar. So you're going to fill your jar up with cold water and leave about 1 or 2 inches of space at the top, depending on the size of your jar. Okay, then you're going to have it open. So it's like this. If you want to put food coloring in, you can do that now. Your tornado can be whatever color you want it to be. I'm going to have my tornado be yellow. I'm just going to put a couple drops of yellow into my tornado. And now is when you can add your glitter also. So just as much glitter either that I gave you or that you want to put in. It's just so you can see the better effect of the tornado's cyclone. Okay. Now comes the other ingredients. So for white vinegar, you need 1 teaspoon. So I have my teaspoon measuring spoon. 1 teaspoon goes in. So there we go. 1 teaspoon has gone in. And then we need dish soap. And we need 1 tablespoon of dish soap. So your tablespoon of, I have a half tablespoon here, so I need to use 2 of mine. But you just want to pour your tablespoon of dish soap in. Okay. Then they're going to very gently stir it to mix it around because we don't want to make too many bubbles. All right, so one of the most interesting things about this recipe for a tornado is the vinegar. What the vinegar does is it works against the dish soap. So it sort of dissipates or makes all the bubbles go away when you swirl it. But this is all you need to make tornado in a jar. Now, put your lid on nice and tight, and you are going to spin it. You're going to twirl it in a circular motion, and then stop. What you see in the center is the cyclone, and your glitter will help you see that too. Notice how once you stopped spinning, the water didn't stop spinning. The water is still moving. All right, do this one more time. My tornado is slowing back down on in my jar. Okay, and let's get it going again. Twirl in a circle motion. And stop. In the center of your jar is your tornado. And the spinning motion, after you see the cyclone go away in the middle, also shows you the motion that a tornado moves in. And they almost always move clockwise, which is an interesting fun fact. Have fun making your tornado in a jar. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to me. Bye, friends. Have fun with your takeout kit.